head low door every time.
Remember. Because she's the giant. I don't even think about
Hit my head on everything.
Disassembling the fridge. You can kind of see how small this is. It's like maybe a foot deep, and then same with that, it's just so small, like for a gallon of milk or something right there. But we're gonna try put a regular fridge in here. That's the hope. I have to disconnect the gas line. I really hope this works so I don't have to put this back. I need to not break things. Just in case this is our fridge and I'm messing with it. Let's see if I can move it. See if there's more tabs. Oh, there's a full floor and wiring going up to the fridge. Now I just gotta figure out how to get this free. The bottom of this fridge is not moving at all.
So that's where it's connected?
Yeah. The top pulled out. Somehow. Oh, that's our gas line. Okay.
For our stove?
Yeah, no, for our refrigerator. That was holding it. This is holding it. We gotta take the gas line off. Let me get the drill. I'll be right back.
Success!
Oh, you see that?
I did.
Okay, so now I gotta unhook the gas line. Alright, don't judge me on my quality set of tools I have. I keep all my nice tools at my job. So I have these really nice, I mean, look at that thing. That's nice. Okay, let's see if it's, oh, it's just too small. I don't have a crescent wrench. So it doesn't look like we're doing this tonight, babe.
Oh.
Just putting things back the way they were. Problem for another day. Gotta get the proper tools and we'll get this out of here. Yay! So I'm eating a pepperoni stick. Alright, so I turned the propane tanks off. I'm just gonna unhook that line. And I gotta unhook the power. The trailer is not plugged in, but there is battery. Please work. There it is. Just releasing all the. He's fine. Oh, stinky gas. Maybe free. That was it. He's free. Okay, I just have to unhook these cables here. I need to get some electrical tape. Favorite knife in the world. Alright, I think we can pull this out. As long as these don't touch.
Well, they're not what's being pulled out.
That should be safe. Metal? Metal is good. Because it stops the transfer. The only other thing is to make sure we're not going to pull something else out that we don't know is attached still. Just trying to be like Clark. And get underneath on your side. We're going to hold it up. Okay, we're going to pull it out and set it down. You good? How you doing?
Yep, my fingers are not underneath. You're good.
That is heavy. That's all our wiring. We'll get the shop back in here.
Yeah. You guys want to see in there?
Now we're gonna go get some measurements. And the plan is gonna be to jam the new fridge in here. If we have to, I will take this out and we will make it fit. We're just going.
Even if the back of the fridge is hanging out the side of the camper. We're gonna make that thing fit.
That's actually, look at that, babe. Because this has to use propane, how much we gotta, I mean, that's all fridge space we're losing. Hey guys, just a quick recap of how to take the fridge out of an RV, at least on a 2006 Keystone
Laredo.
It's probably similar to most of these. There were 2 screws in the top holding it in, 2 on the bottom, and then when you get back here, open up your panel. I had a screw holding it here, and here these 2 screws, and then you had power, gas line, and then it was just unplugging it, and it all slid out. That thing is pretty heavy, so 2 people is probably recommended. What's up, Pierce? I'm just gonna cut these off right now, just so they don't touch. And rule of thumb, I'm not an electrician. Don't listen to me on everything, but just never cut 2 at the same time because you could short it out and burn stuff. And we're gonna put plastic over this. That's it. Super simple. Crap. Cut. Stop recording. I look like an idiot. Tina, get your food. Okay.
All right, Napoleon.
I mean, look how tiny that is. So we're going from that to nothing. Who needs a fridge when you can remove it? The original refrigerator that came with the camper was quite heavy. This new one, new technology, is very light. I could move it by myself. This came from Home Depot. It's a 10.1 cubic foot refrigerator, about $350, and I think very worth it. It's full electric and should make life so much easier.
Should we do an extension?
Yeah, we'll put a platform out. We'll hold it flat and then we'll do a trim around it. It totally will work. 100% will work. Let me go plug it in. Dude, this is actually super exciting.
Stupid low door every time.
Remember. So she's the giant. I don't even think about
Put my head on everything.
Look at that. Oh, we're hitting this too.
Might give us a little more.
We need to cap that off. This is pretty cool. Big box store refrigerator. Just, whoops.
Ooh, don't push it out.
Slides right in.
It's nice that it's new.
We'll have to push it back.
Do you want me to do that right now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
It turned on.
Whoa! It turned on, you guys.
The front foot of this new refrigerator stuck out about 2 inches past the platform. I added some plywood to fully support the refrigerator and allow us to level it. I then came back and trimmed the cabinetry so that the hinges of the fridge could fit in properly. I also added some trim around the fridge to seal all the gaps and to center it and lock it in. Check it out. I don't have anything plugged in. The trailer's not powered, I guess. But this is our new fridge. So sick. So much more room. So this is kind of cool. This is turning on, and that means we have a fridge. So plug the trailer in, Got this trimmed up, plugged it in, fridge is on. I'll show you inside. My wife's picking up a plug for the gas line. Pretty awesome. I also bought some mesh to go over the door to keep wasps and bugs out. They have a direct path into the RV from here if we don't do something. Okay, it's all powered on. Man, I wish Jordan was here to see this. But here's the freezer. Nice and big and clean. Refrigerator. It's got lights. So cool. We haven't even pulled the tape off yet. Everything's working good. Nice and cold. Start peeling tape off, but so exciting to get that in. We had a little win right there. The winds are good. Okay, let's move on because I'm acting weird.